Hello friends, once again to Icon IoT. Today I will show you that on-off application with capacitive touch switch TTP223. For wiring diagram, you can refer that part 1 of ESP32 and TTP223 interface YouTube video. And for on-off application, let's go to that code. This is the code. In part 1, I show you how to interface that capacitive touch switch with ESP32. So I will take you straight to that how to code that on-off application. It's very simple. Here I have declared one more integer value 2. This will read that status of output that's declared as relay. And here is the condition. If capacitive touch switch value is more than 0 and output value is low, then output will be set to high. And here I have given that the delay of 500 millisecond. So it will allow to reduce that frequent on-off application or on-off output. Then next to that is if capacitive touch switch input is more than 0 and output value is high, then it will set low. So when you press or touch the switch, it will check this condition. If it is true, it will set high the output. Again, when you touch that switch, it will check this condition, and if output is high, it will set low to the output. It's very simple. Let's check that on-off applications for touch switch. So here is the touch switch. It is on. It will remain on until I will touch it again. When you touch it second time, it will switch off, on and off. Thank you for watching video.